Survive, so you better see God. Make I tell you, bad man, see where me come from. Nothing like a blueprint to follow to success. Tina mama near bring ya demo kana meaty. Searching every building, them say we got the new locks. But we never back down, we hustling every day. Every day we hustling regardless. Trust not the government, you can only believe. Your church cannot save you, all you need is love. We grew up from the ghettos, sometimes we do it hard. I mean tell them say, give me the mic. A real ghetto youth, them a dream. Every ghetto youth, you have to dream, dream big, dream. Every ghetto youth, you have to dream. Don't let anyone distract you from your dreams. Oh, Jazzy, baby, cause when you're good, meant to be, you just keep being you. Keep it real and dream. Every ghetto youth, you have to dream, dream big, dream. Every ghetto youth, you have to dream. Don't let anyone distract you from your dreams. Oh, Jazzy, baby, cause when you're good, meant to be, you just keep being you. Keep it real. Ghetto youth, you have to dream big. Putting in the work and dig it. No room for the lazy. We gotta make sure we count the money last hour. That's why we wake up every day. Spending more time in the work than we fear. Running the city just for the daily bread. But man shall not live by bread alone, but anything that comes from the Most High Jah. But then until you escape the metrics, man, you have to open your ears and watch. Attack them, not hear what we say. Slow down, slow down. A real hustlers never slow down. A weak system not allow you to choose. Them I choose for you, crash them I call you a loser. Stay strong. Dream, every ghetto youth, you have to dream, dream big, dream. Every ghetto youth you have a dream. Don't let anyone distract you from your dreams. Oh, Jazzy, baby, because when you're good, meant to be, you just keep being you. Keep it real and dream. Every ghetto youth you have a dream. Dream big, dream. Every ghetto youth you have a dream. Don't let anyone distract you from your dreams. Oh, Jazzy, baby, because when you're good, meant to be, you just keep being you. Keep it real. The system is failing. Ghetto youth, better watch your ways. The system is failing. Ghetto youth, better watch your ways. The system is failing. Ghetto youth, better watch your ways. The system is failing. Ghetto youth, better watch your ways. We have to know how to make our moves through the promised land, cause none of them give a fuck about you. It's only you and you. Lock it down.